Declarative infrastructure explained. Terraform uses a declarative model. Declarative means you describe the end result, not the steps to get there. In imperative systems, you tell the computer how to do something. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. Think of it like a restaurant. Imperative is giving the chef the recipe. Declarative is ordering from the menu. You say what you want, not how to cook it. With declarative infrastructure, you describe what should exist. This is called the desired state. Terraform's job is to make reality match that state. You don't worry about which resource comes first. You don't manage retries. You don't map out dependencies by hand. Terraform builds a map of your infrastructure and determines the correct order for you. You do not say, create a network, then create a server, then attach it. You say, I want a server connected to a network. Terraform figures out the rest. This model is why Terraform can safely plan changes. It compares what exists in your cloud, the current state, against what you declared, the desired state. That comparison is powered by the state file. If something changes outside Terraform, Terraform detects the drift. Drift means reality no longer matches the code. Terraform knows exactly what moved. Stop thinking of Terraform as a script. It isn't a list of instructions. It is an enforcement of intent. You describe the destination. Terraform handles the navigation. Once you understand this, Terraform becomes predictable, and predictable systems are safe systems.